Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Yvette, owner of Enchanted Cakes by Yvette, where I've created hundreds of cakes, films for Cake TV and written tutorials for Cake Magazine. And we're here today to teach you how we've created our gorgeous little heart cake. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the little bell so you get notifications every time a new video comes through, and we'll get started on our gorgeous little heart cake today. So today we're going to cover our little 6-inch heart cake here with some white buttercream, and then using a 1M piping tip, we're going to pipe on some classic white rosettes. Okay, so we'll start just by securing our cake onto the board with a little buttercream. We've just got our white American buttercream here. This is the one that we always make and use. It's our preferred buttercream. It sets up nice and firm, forms a crust, and just so versatile and easy to work with, whether we're covering a cake, piping, or what else, doing textured work, piping flowers. It's just very easy to make and very easy to work with. Okay, so I'd love to hear what kind of buttercream you use, whether it's a Swiss meringue or Italian meringue or American style like myself. This is definitely my favorite. So just keep going around our cake. Just give it a nice crumb coat, okay, which just means sealing in all the edges, and then we'll go back over it with a second coat. Just fill in all our little gaps and cracks on top here. We want to keep the nice dome shape for this cake. Okay, and some designs you might want to just cut the top off so you have a perfectly flat, level cake on top. Now, because we're piping a rosette design all the way around, we don't actually have to physically cover all the cake. Okay, it doesn't matter if we have patchy bits where we can see through the chocolate mud cake. You just go around with your palette knife. And I've just got a little scraper here, or fondant smoother. Okay, just use that over the rounded surface, just to give it a more even, softer coverage. We'll just go right around the sides. Just neatens it all up. Just go around the edges. Just neaten our board a little bit. Okay, and now we're ready to pipe on our rosettes. We're going to start at the base and work our way up around and end on the center of the cake there. So as you can see, we have a 1M tip, okay, made by a variety of brands. We've normally got in stock a Loyal 1M, Colour Mill or Wilton, and we've just filled a 12-inch Loyal disposable bag here with some white buttercream. Okay, if you like to purchase from Caker's Warehouse online, you can use our discount code Enchanted10 and you'll get a 10% discount as well. So we're starting at our base at the back here of the cake, popping our piping tip against the cake there, slightly pressing it and just doing a little rosette. Okay, so you've got to press it onto your cake. So it's up and around. Okay, and we're just doing smaller ones for this cake. Okay, so squeeze, press it on, up and around and down. Okay, all the way around the base of the cake. Okay, so we're not starting right on the bottom, we're lifting up a little bit, just so we have enough room for some buttercream on the bottom. Okay, we are holding our cake bag directly out, almost horizontal to the cake. Okay, rather than holding it up on an angle at all. Okay, so it's nice and low here. Finish off with our last one there. Okay, and we'll move up again, just leaving a bit of a gap in between our last row of rosettes, piping down and around. Then slowly release the pressure on your bag as you pull off. Slowly just working all our way around. Okay, you may have to just squeeze down your bag as it starts to empty. We thought we'd start off with our first heart cake design as a very classic rosette. Like we said, this is an American buttercream frosting. If you don't have a recipe that you use all the time or know and trust, or you're looking for a new one to try, you can pop onto our website, our buttercream recipe, the full tutorial on how we make it and variations and all our tips and tricks is available on our website. Okay, or else if you're on Instagram, just comment the word buttercream and we'll DM you the link for it. So keep going around. Just love the all white. It's just so pure and elegant. Get some more buttercream. Continue our way around. Okay, so now we're working more on the top of the cake here. We'll just go around the edges first. Almost to the edge here. Just do some smaller rosettes. Okay, lovely. And there you have it. There's a beautiful classic white rosette buttercream cake. Hope you enjoy. You go ahead and make this. We'd love to see your creations. So please tag us at Enchanted Cakes by Yvette on Instagram, or comment below, pop a picture, leave us a comment. Don't forget to hit subscribe and also hit on that bell so you're notified when we pop up a new video. And we hope you've enjoyed today's tutorial. We shall see you next time.